Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add your Shopify store link to your TikTok bio. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Shopify and click on the store in the right bottom corner and click on settings and click on the domains. Okay, so when you are on that page, so here is your domain. Click on that and you simply need to copy. Then you need to go back and open TikTok and click on edit profile and click on website and paste that here and click on save. So it will be saved and you simply need to click on that like this. So this is a process by which you can add clickable link to your TikTok bio. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.